Folks, this is Scott Hendry. I'm the owner of K&I Instruments, and for the last 17 plus years, we've helped over 200 clients and on 1,000 plus applications reduce their process gas costs and enhance their process monitoring by offering an all-in-one mass flow metering solution. We use this mobile flow stand trailer to educate facilities on how best to make gas measurement, whether you're going to infer the mass flow of the gas, measure it directly, or just use the velocity of the gas. I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between the three types of methods. This is the most common technology that has been in the field for years, and this is an orifice plate with a differential pressure transmitter. It measures the differential across each side of the plate. And if you've never seen a plate up close, it looks like a paddle. Stainless steel, sometimes they're universal without the paddle. But this measures the velocity of the gas flowing through the pipe. And as you can see, I have the required amount of straight run up and downstream of an orifice plate to make accurate measurement with velocity. But if your pressure and temperatures change on your applications, which in 17 years I've yet to meet one that is stable enough to say they don't change, if you don't add a pressure transmitter and a temperature transmitter, you create great inaccuracies in your measurement, which greatly affects your burners, your boilers, your kilns, your furnaces, your dryers, your compressed air applications. So it's critical to add a pressure transmitter, because for every 1 pound of pressure swing, you have 1% inaccuracy. And for every 10 degrees of temperature swing, you have 2% inaccuracy. So it's critical to infer the mass flow instead of just doing velocity. So you have an orifice plate, the DP transmitter, the pressure transmitter to compensate for the changes in pressure, the temperature transmitter to compensate for the changes in temperature, and you average it all together in a nice flow controller here, the flow computer. That's 5 devices. You can also see that I have a rotary style meter, real common in the field, especially outside the facility. 2 rotating vanes opposite of one another, they rotate. I have on display a turbine flow meter as well, another meter with turbine blades in there that rotate as the gas flows by it. You may have a diaphragm meter with a flexible diaphragm, or even a sight glass meter with a floating stainless steel ball to make your velocity measurement. And all those devices I just mentioned, you can compensate as well. But with the advent of the digital technology, there are 2 clear leaders in the industry. Thermal dispersion, which measures directly in mass units, as well as a Coriolis meter, which also measures in mass units. This uses 2 tubes that oscillate, and they measure the frequency change of the 2 tubes as the gas flows through the actual pipe. But the bulk majority of my clients, folks, are switching to the thermal mass technology for 3 main reasons. No moving parts, very easy to install. You can see right here, all you need is a 3/4 inch or 1 inch threadlet welded onto the pipe, and it's self-calibrated. If you look a little bit closer at the sensor head, I'm going to pull up another sensor head for you. It's got 2 probes in there that measures the temperature, 2 temperature sensors, and they heat one of the probes to create the differential. And within that 8-inch cutaway, if it was in a pipe, it would compensate for the pressure and temperature changes, giving you direct mass flow units. You can display it on the meter, the flow rate, the total. You can output the 4 to 20 milliamp signal, as well as get a digital RS-485 signal out of the meter. In addition to that, we do offer 2 other technologies that are all-in-one devices for mass flow. This is actually a vortex shedding device, commonly used for gases, steams, and liquids. And you can add a pressure and temperature transmitter internally to the device, so it becomes an all-in-one mass flow metering system. And finally, for those people that use sight glasses in labs, there's nothing worse than seeing a floating stainless steel ball jump around. What we have here is a mass flow controller. It's battery operated. It even has a knob to adjust the flow rate to maintain a certain control over this. And it's using the thermal dispersion technology, and it's on a microchip. Folks, 17 years of technology changes has pushed me towards helping people by using the latest technology, thermal dispersion, no moving parts, self-calibrating, easy to install. And for those folks that need a little bit more incentive to get educated on this, if you do fill out the survey that we have online or you receive by email, one lucky client of ours will receive a FLIR infrared scope that can be used for hunting or even for your panel boxes, your control boxes, and so forth. 1,000 applications in the field, folks. One Technology is clearly the leader. Over 200 clients. You can call us toll free at 844-GAS-FLOW. You can reach us by email at sales@k-instruments.com. And if you fill out the survey form, if you mention the word Paramount, it doubles your chances of winning. Thanks, folks. Have a nice day.